My name is Ana.
My name is Carolina.
My name is Lorena.
And this is the oil spill experiment.
In this experiment, we are trying to recreate oil spills in the ocean into a simple experiment that could be done in a classroom.
We are using polymer as oil absorbing agent. Although most recreations of this experiment calls for powder polymer, we decided to test if the clay polymer would provide some results of absorbing the oil while sticking together and forming sort of a sponge cake.
That being stated, our main purpose is to observe how new technology is being used to approach oil spills and management problems.
Since other variations of this experiment have been successful at absorbing the oil and forming a sort of sponge cake, we believe using the clay polymer will acquire the same results. And that's the intro.
When the polymer was spread over the oil, it remained floating and did not sink. After waiting around 2 minutes, most oil was absorbed, but polymer did not become one and was still very loose.
Most polymer was removed from the cup, but it was difficult to remove all the polymer since it did not combine. Although most oil was still absorbed, some still remained into the cup.
Although our experiment was successful to a certain extent, it would have been more efficient and completely successful if the polymer would have joined into one piece and for easy removal. Even though most of the oil was absorbed by the clay polymer, some still remained in the cup along with some residing polymer.
The materials that we need for this experiment are gravel polymer, marble mystery oil, wax paper, water, cup, spoon. First of all, fill a clear cup 3/4 full with warm tap water. Add enough marble mystery oil to create a thin but considerable layer of oil on the water. The oil is less dense than water, allowing it to rest atop to the water surface. The polymer will immediately bond the oil and will form a sponge-like mixture that floats on the tap surface of the water. Remove the oil polymer and place it to a clean piece of wax paper. As the polymer dries, it becomes firm and rubbery like a sponge cake. The free molecules find bonding sites and become three-dimensionally entangled within the polymer structure itself.
No pueden pasar. Bye.
Como el otro. Bueno.
Bye bye.